Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your microphone not working on Windows 10. Coming up next in this Windows 10 tutorial. So there are many different issues that could cause your microphone not to be working on your Windows 10 computer. And in this video, we're going to be focused on the computer and the software side of things. If you have a defective product, you will have to call up the manufacturer and get that product replaced. Knowing that, I'm going to be showing you about 5 or 6 different steps about how to fix your microphone not working. The first one will involve giving applications permission to use your microphone. So on the bottom left-hand side of the screen, let's go over to the Windows button here and left-click on it. Then go to the Settings button and select it, and it's going to bring up the settings page. Now let's go over to Privacy, Location, Camera, and Microphone. On the left-hand side, let's go over to Microphone now, and make sure this is on right here. If you have it on selected, this may be your issues, and having this on will allow apps to access your microphone. So once you have this selected on, scroll down and find the application you're trying to use with your microphone and make sure that is selected. Like Gears of War 4, I'm going to make sure that's selected. Skype, I'm going to make sure that's selected. And then keep scrolling down and make sure this is checkmark 2. And this will give your microphone permission to allow desktop apps to access your microphone. Some apps and window features need access to your microphone to work as intended. And you can scroll down and find the applications that are in this list also. Alright, so once we have everything turned on under the privacy settings and the microphone section, let's go back and then go to System and select this. Now let's go down over to Sound. Then on the far right side, let's go over to Sound Control Panel. Select this option, and it's going to bring up this little smaller window right here. Let's go ahead and go to Recordings and find the microphone that you're going to try to use on your Windows 10 computer. And you can see my Blue Yeti microphone is working right now. Sometimes you may have your microphone disabled, like my web camera right here. Let's go ahead and select this. And if your microphone is disabled, it's not going to work. So let's go ahead and select the microphone I have disabled. Go to Properties. And then it says device usage. Do not use this device. So if your microphone is disabled, you will have to go down here and then use this device enabled. Select apply. Now when you go to that device and go to properties, you'll have more options up top like listen, levels, and advanced. Now if we go to levels, this will be the microphone volume. So if your microphone volume is way too low, let's say it's all the way down here near 0, you may not be having any sound coming through your microphone because the volume is so low. So go ahead and turn this up on the microphone you're trying to use. And then if you go over to the advanced, you can restore the default settings for that microphone right here. And make sure to press apply and go to OK once you're done with the device. And the other thing you want to do in this section is set the device to default. So the microphone I use the most often is my Blue Yeti microphone. Select it, highlight it with the blue, and then go down to set as default. This is already set as default for me. Make sure your microphone is set to default, then go over to the playback setting. Now if you're trying to use a headset or speakers, make sure you set that device as default also. So my speakers are set to default right here. Highlight the speakers and then go to set as default. And if you are having speaker issues, go to properties here also and then scroll through this list. And you'll have the same thing like you did with the microphone. You can adjust the speaker levels right here and make it louder or softer. Make sure it's not 0, otherwise no sound will be coming out of the headset or speakers. Then go over to enhancements. If you do not have any sound coming out of your headset or speakers, disable all these enhancements and then go to OK. And sometimes that could be causing the issue of having no playback. Windows 10 can be a little bit tricky sometimes, and issues like that are causing the problem. Okay, so now that all those devices are set up under the sound control panel. Let's go to OK. Now under the sound settings, if we go to our microphone and then go to the troubleshoot option right here and select this, we can go ahead and bring up the Windows 10 troubleshooting software and see if this helps our issue. Now let's go ahead and select my Blue Yeti microphone, which is selected and it's my default device. Then go to next and follow the steps they are providing you in here. Now there's no problem with my microphone working right now, but see if this works for you. And then I'm going to go ahead and close the troubleshooting software. Now the next thing we can try is opening up the device manager. Go back down to the Windows button and right click on it. And it will bring up this long tab of different options. Let's go up to device manager, select it, and it's going to open up this page. Now let's go over to audio inputs and outputs and select this little arrow here and expand that tab. Now let's go to the device we're going to be using. I'm going to be using my Blue Yeti microphone. I'm going to select it, right click on it, and go to properties. Now it says my device is working properly. Let's go over to drivers. And it says the driver has been updated 3/18 of 2019, which is very recently. Now if yours is very old, you may not have the latest driver on your computer. Go over to this section right here to update driver and select it. And it's going to give you two different options. One is going to try to locate the files on your computer, and the other is going to search for the driver update, which will include the internet. So let's select the first option, and it's searching online for the drivers. Now it says I already have the best drivers available on my computer. It may prompt you to download the latest drivers at this point. Now let's go ahead and close this page. You do have the option to uninstall the drivers right here. However, you may not have the default drivers on your computer. So once you uninstall the drivers, you will have to go back to the manufacturer's website and re-download the drivers that way once you uninstall them. So just a heads up if you do decide to uninstall the drivers. You may want to go to the manufacturer's website and download them before you uninstall. So when you go ahead and restart your computer, you can just go ahead and open up the drivers right away and not have to worry about going to the website and downloading the drivers. Now let's go ahead and go to close. And one last thing I want to do under device manager is suppose you plugged in your device and you can't see it on here. Your headset just doesn't show up. What you could do is right click under audio inputs and outputs and then go to scan for hardware changes and select this option. And it's going to scan your entire computer for anything new that has been plugged in recently. So if your device is not showing up in this list after scanning for additional hardware, you may have a connection issue with your device and the computer. What you could do is try a different port. So if your front USBs aren't working, try the rear USBs on your computer. Okay, so after the device manager, there's one last thing I want to go ahead and show you. So we got our drivers updated. Now let's go ahead and make sure our computer is completely updated. So let's go back and then go to Update and Security, then go to Windows Update. And right here will be an option to go ahead and check for updates on your Windows 10 computer. Now I recently just hit this feature and I have an update where I have to go ahead and restart my computer for it to take effect. So make sure your computer is completely updated and make sure all your driver is completely updated. Now to go ahead and see if your microphone is actually fixed, a good way to do that is to go back to the Windows button here, then go up to Settings, then select System and go back to Sound. And right here under Test Your Microphone, you can actually see your microphone going up and down with this little volume indicator right here. So that will allow you to see if sound is actually going through your microphone and it's being detected by your computer. And another great way to check this is by going to Sound Control Panel, then going to your recordings page again, then going to the microphone you want to use, going back to Properties, then going to Listen, and going to listen to this device and selecting this and going to OK. And If your microphone is working, you'll hear yourself when you speak through your speakers. It'll be like a echo or a mic monitoring. So that's a good way to see if your speakers are working. And if they are, you'll be seeing something right here or hearing something in your speakers. So I hope one of these issues that I talked about today actually did indeed help you out and your microphone problems are now fixed. If this video did help you out though, go ahead and leave it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help tips coming up next on Your Six Studios.